Back on CSL, according to reports by Sportico and confirmed by ESPN's senior NBA insider Shams Charania, Tom Dundon, the owner of the Carolina Hurricanes, has agreed to a deal to buy the Portland Trail Blazers. The current plan is to keep the team in Portland and the value of the Blazers, and the deal has yet to be announced. He also still has plans to potentially bring Major League Baseball to North Carolina.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.